Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yunita Indah. I'm from class XG and my NPM is 2021-12-500636. Okay, well, in this occasion I will explain about the lesson plan for the learning level of grade 1 of elementary school, which is an assessment from the Teaching English for Children course. I will explain my lesson plan, and the first is initial competence. Children are able to name circle, triangles, squares, and octagon. Children are able to name the size large and small of object. And the second one is Pancasila student profile. Students have faith, be devoted to God Almighty, and have noble character, global diversity, independent, mutual cooperation, and creative. And the third is facilities and infrastructure, learning tools, computer or laptop, internet network, projector, learning research, Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology of the Republic of Indonesia 2021 Teacher's Guide and Students Book, English for Elementary School Grade 1. A media object in this form of circle, triangle, squares, and octagon. Educate classroom lighting sufficiently spacious classroom. And number 4 is target students. Target students are regular or typical students. And the 5 is number of students. Students minimum 50 students or maximum 25 students. And the 6 is learning model face-to-face. Okay, for the core competence, objective of learning activities, learning outcomes, phase A, listening or speaking. Students use simple English to interact in social and classroom situations such as introducing themselves, giving personal information, saying hello and goodbye. A student responds to simple interaction with visual aids through body movements or answer simple short questions with the simple words. Phrase or sentence. Students understand the main idea of information delivered orally with the help of visual and using simple vocabulary. Students use visual aids to help the communicative. And for learning objective, students are able to identify various shapes and their size. And the point B is meaningful understanding. Children are able to name circle, triangles, a square, and octagons, and the children can mention the size, large and small of objects. And the point C is starting question. What does the word "it is a shape" mean in Indonesian? And the point D is learning activities. Activities, students and teacher greet each other in English. They orderly prepare themselves to take part in the learning. And the point 1 is students who get a turn to lead a prayer to start the learning process. And the students answer questions from the teacher about their feelings and health condition that they while the teacher takes attendance. And the point 3 is the teacher explain the students will learn about shapes or circles, triangles, rectangles, and octagon. The teacher shows and names several shapes including circle, triangle, square, and octagon. The teacher invites students to imitate the names of several shapes mentioned. At this point, I will teach students about shapes and size for including triangle and the circle and the square and octagon. Okay, boys and girls, Miss will introduce shapes and you can make a circle easily, namely by determining the main point and rounding it, and it becomes a circle. And circle have two sides, and a circle size small and the circle size large. Okay, boys and girls, and the next shape is triangle, and the triangle have three sides. You can attention to me, and the side 1 is 1, side 2 and side 3. And the triangle have two sides, is a size small and the size large. Okay, and the next shapes is square. Square have 4 sides. Okay, attention to me. Square have 4 sides, and the side 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the square have 2 sides, is a size small and the size large. Okay, and boys and girls, and the next shapes are the last shapes. Who can guess the final shapes? Come on, who can guess? Alright, and the next shapes are the last shape is octagon. An octagon have 8 sides, and the side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, boys and girls, and to make it easier for you to remember, you can pay attention to the shapes that Miss has prepared and arranged. And you can see shape large is, and the shape small is. After me give students material, and the next closing activities, and student answer question from the teacher about what interests them during the process learning the day. Question, mention and then determine the shapes, and the teacher asks students to bring the LKPD learning the result to their respective homes, and ask students to show them to their parents or family, strengthening reflection of thoughts and thinking process. And the student who get a turn to learn prior to close the learning process. Students say hello and thank you, then together with the teachers say goodbye to each other. For the assessment or evaluation, the teacher has created a table containing the names and assessment aspect. Okay, for indicator mentioning and determining the shape of flat shapes, one is smoothness. Smoothness for aspect, long pauses in communication, a little pauses in communication, communication without long pauses. And the number 2 for the aspect is completeness, difficulty communication, slight difficulty communication, communication well. And the number 3 for aspect is a pronunciation, difficulty pronunciation, a little difficulty pronunciation, and the fluent pronunciation. Okay, and the next or the last is enrichment and remedial activities. Enrichment contains information about learning activities that teachers can use for students who have a high interest in the topic or learning activities, or so higher mystery of competence than the competence being studied. Enrichment activities are carried by selecting one of the following activities And the number one is observation activities of activities that are in accordance with circle, square, triangle, and octagon. And the number two is mentoring activities with the other students who have not yet mastered the implementation of circle, square, triangle, and octagon. Remedial contains information about learning activities for students who want to strengthen their understanding of competence before the competence being studied for students who show lower mastery of competence compared to the competence being studied. Remedial activities are carried out through the following activities. And the first is participating in concept strengthening activities for the application of circle, square, triangle, and octagon. And the second one is students that carry out a peer tutoring with the friends who have active their goals learning. Okay, that's all my lesson plan explained by me. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.